everyone, I'm Tricia Lorraine Labayan from BSc 2H. So for today's video, we are going to have an example for discrete probability distribution on my subject, which is the engineering data analysis. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, we have here an example of discrete probability distribution. For the example here, we have a biased coin is tossed 3 times. It is a weighted so that the probability of head is equal to 2/3 and the probability of tails is equal to 1/3. Let x be the random variable which assigns to each point in the sample space the number of heads. Plus, find the probability distribution for random variable x. So here we don't have already the sample spaces. So to find the sample spaces, we need to use the tree diagram. So let's say H is instance for heads, T for tails. So at first toss, we can get HT or head tail. Second toss, HT again, each. And at last toss, we also can also get HT for each. So, ayan na. Mula din sa tree diagram natin, makakakuha na tayo ng sample spaces, which are HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, PHH, THT, TTH, and last TTT. Total of 8 outcomes or sample spaces. So, for our sample spaces, we have sample spaces, we have HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, TTH, THT, PHH, PHT, TTH, and TTT. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total of 8 outcomes or sample spaces. So, to find the probability of each outcomes, we need to multiply each outcomes per toss. So, for probability of HHH, we have 2/3. Probability of head is equal to 2/3. So, 2/3 multiplied by 2/3 or 2 raised to 3 or 2 cube. Na lang para mas madali. So, is equal to 8/27. Probability of HHT, we have 2/3 squared multiplied by 1/3. 1/3 yung ating probability ng tail. So, equals to 4/27. Probability of HTH, we have 2/3 multiplied by 1/3 multiplied by 2/3 is equal to 4/27. And for PHTT, we have 2/3 multiplied by 1/3 squared is equal to 2/27. And dahil halos parehas lang ang HHT at THH, so andito na yung probability niya. And yung HTH to THH, ganun din. And yung HTT sa TTH ay iisa lang din. So, ang kunin na lang natin dito ay yung tatlong T or tatlong tails. So, probability of TTT is equal to 1/3 cube or 1/27. So, next step, we need to find the random variable x ng heads. Nalalabas daw yung number of heads. So, x or SS and x. Sample spaces, we have here HHH, HHT, THH, TT, HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, TTH, THT, and TTT. Sa HHH, ang number of heads na lumabas ay 3, HHT is 2, HTH is 2, HTT is equal to 1, THH is equal to 2, and TTH is equal to 1, THC is equal to 1, and TTT, walang lumabas na head, so equals to 0. So for our random sample spaces, random variable x is equal to 0, 1, 2, and 3. So here, find the probability distribution for x. So we need to find sa 0, ito, yung TTT, isa lang yung 0 natin is TTT. So probability of 0 is equal to 1 over 27 dahil TTH lang at. Okay, ulitin natin. Probability of 0 is equal to TTT. T, T, and T. TTT is equal to 1/3. Saan ba yan? Ito. Ay, 1 over 27. So, we have here the random probability distribution of random variable 0 is equal to 1 over 27. For probability of 1, equals tayo sa ilan ang heads. So, meron tayong HTT T plus i-add lang natin lahat ng mga magkakaparehas ng number of heads. So, meron tayong HTT, TTH, THT plus THT, HHT, TTH, and THT. For the probability distribution for this random variable 1, we have here, where is it? HTT. Meron tayo the HTT is equal to 4 over 27 plus TTH. Parehas lang siya ng HTT. Pinagbaligtad lang yung TTH at yung HTT. So, meron dito 2 over 27 Mali tayo din sa first. HTT is equal to, asan siya? Ito, HTT is equal to 2 over 27 plus TTH, pinagbaligtad lang siya. So, meron ulit tayong 2 over 27 plus THT, pinagbaligtad lang yon. Parehas lang silang plus 2 over 27 is equal to 6 over 27 or 2 over 9. For probability of the random variable 2, plus lang natin yung HHT plus HTH plus THH para makuha natin ang probability nitong random variable 2. So we have HHT 4 over 27 plus, again, 4 over 27 plus 4 over 27 is equal to 12 over 27 or 4 over 9. Probability distribution of 3 is equal to, we only have 1 here na may number of heads na 3. So, HHH is equal to 8 over 27. So, now, erase lang natin to para makuha natin yung probability distribution ng x. I-table lang natin. So, we have x here, and ito yung p of x. We have 0, 1, 2, and 3. Sa 0, meron tayong 1 over 27. Sa 1, 2 over 9. Sa 2, meron tayong 4 over 9. At sa 3, we have 8 over 27. At yun ang ating answer for this problem.